Subscribe and press the bell icon first to see the latest video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and my name is Rinku, and I'm gonna teach you guys different technique for beginner and advanced level of art. Today we'll learn how to sketch a house and how to color it, and for that you need a pencil, eraser, a paper, a marker, and you need some paints. So let's get started. You take your paper horizontally, and then first we'll start from this side, from a little bit of the right side of your paper. So what I'm doing, I'm making a point, and from that dot I'm making a diagonal line toward my left side and toward my right side. Try to make sure they're even both the side, and then I'm making one line little inside and another line little in from this side. Then we'll make another dot here, and we'll connect this line to this line over here. So you go all the way here and connect it, and do the same thing on the other side. We'll connect from here to here. So I'll just come all the way toward the bottom and connect it. Really good. Good job. Now see, we will do two lines. We'll make two vertical lines, one from here and one from here. So I'm making one vertical line here, and now I'm gonna do my second vertical line from here. Very nice. Now we'll connect this part to this area. So I'm making a horizontal line and connected this. Very nice. So we have the front part of our house. Now we'll make a door. So I'm making a door over here. For the door, what shape you use for the door? Yes, we do use a rectangle. Very nice. So I'm not adding anything at the bottom, as we already have the bottom part, and I'm gonna add one window here, and from the window I'm using a square. So you make a little box over here for the window. Very nice. Now can you make one line from here to here and connect, make a plus sign inside. Good job. Now I'm gonna make one horizontal line from here, and I'll go all the way to this part. So from the middle of this line, I'm making a horizontal line which will go all the way to this side. Very nice. Now I'm making again a diagonal line and coming down all the way over here. Good job, guys. Very nice. Now can you connect this line from here to here? Well done. Now I'm gonna make one more vertical line. Which vertical line will come from this part to the little down. Make sure it does not cross this area. Make sure it's either, it can be little same even, or maybe little backward. It's better if you do it a little bit back, smaller. This line will be smaller. Then you connect this one over here. Very nice. Now can you make some windows inside? So what shape are you going to use for window? Yes, we are using squares for the window. So you can make 2 windows, or if you have space for 3 windows, yes, you can make 3 windows. Very good. So we are done with our 2 windows. Now I'm making one vertical line here and bringing it over here. I'm doing the same thing, but this line will be a little bit bigger because I have the roof over here, and then we connect it over here. And I'm not gonna say, I don't remember what this one called. Can you leave me a comment and tell me what this thing called? Okay, and then you make another line right here next to it. Very good. So let's do the line all the way to the left here, and you make some turn and make another line toward the same side. Now we'll make some little trees, little plants next to our house. So I'm making a flower pot kind of shape over here, and then make some nice bushes here. Very good. Can you do the same thing on the other side? And connect it, and you'll make a nice bush over here. Very nice. So we have our beautiful house ready. So let's color it now. But before coloring, what you have to do, you have to take your Sharpie and make sure it's a permanent marker, okay? And you just trace the outline. So whenever you're tracing the lines, go slowly. I'm almost done with my outlining. So after the outlining, give it a couple minutes to get it dry, and after when it's dry, you'll use your eraser and we'll erase all the pencil line. Also kids, if you are interested in my personal lesson, please visit my website link, and I put it in the description. Now I'm going to take my red and I'll start coloring the roof. So for the roof, you just start it from the left side and color it. Try to make sure you fill it everything. There should not be any gap left. Very nice. Great job, guys. Okay, I'm done this part, and now I'm gonna color only this area, only inside part. Very good. So I'm gonna color this with the red, and after that I'm gonna color my house with the yellow. But if you want different color, you can use different colors. Okay, now I'm going to take my yellow and I'm going to color over the walls, but don't color inside the windows. Okay, so I'm just coloring the walls. Go slow, make sure you don't go inside your roof. So we just color only the walls. Guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, definitely subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any video which I upload every week. Okay, all right, so I'm almost done coloring my walls here, and for windows I wanted to keep it white. So if you want to fill anything inside, you can do that. But I want to keep it white. And I would like to take my brick red or if you have a darker red or brown, you can just color this part with the brown. And also let me know what this one called. Put the comments and tell me what this thing called. I'm going to take my green and color those bush with the green, both of them. And for the pots, I would like to use the same color I just used over here. So this is my pot. Here and here. Very nice. And for the pathway, I'm gonna use my gray. I want to color my door with a little darker kind of blue, but I'm still leaving my windows empty. Oh, and I forgot to mention that I have created a little knob here for the door. Alrighty, so we're done with our house, and let me know how you guys like the video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in next week. Bye bye. Guys, don't forget to like the channel, share the video, and subscribe the channel.